Okay, here we have the next Ninja. It's a Ninja Foodi blender and soup maker. Hot or cold, it's got its own built-in heating element. So we'll just unbox it.
The base.
Right, here we go.
It's in lock position, isn't it? Yeah.
Okay.
Suction, strong suction.
Okay, switched on. The different modes. You have smoothie, dessert, frozen drink, milkshake, smooth soup, jam, sauce, and chunky soup. The chopper, the blender side of the chopper, and saute, so you can saute your meat first before you make it into your soup. Your blend, cook, pulse in different levels. Okay, so what we'll do today, we'll just make a frozen drink with ice cream and then give it a clean out, and then we'll do a chunky soup and see how it goes. Right, we're just going to give it a clean. It's got its own clean function. So we'll give it a clean first before we start anything. So you add 700 millilitres of water, 2 drops of liquid, top on, turn it to lock, and press the clean function.
So it looks like it's going to sit for 6 minutes, heat up and then wash itself, so we'll come back to it. There's a little cookbook with it, some recipes for soup and jams and smoothies, milkshakes. We're having a vanilla milkshake, but we've only got Bailey's ice cream. It'll have to do.
That's the cleaning process complete. For the milkshake, we will add some ice cubes, some blueberries,
Blueberries to you and I. They were frozen, by the way.
some milk.
This pot's massive.
I know, isn't it?
I think you can do 1.4 litres of hot liquid when you're making soup and 1.7 of cold liquid. Here goes ice cream.
Ice cream.
Ice cream for Sunday breakfast. That's okay, I've already had an Easter egg.
escape berries. There we go. I'll just clean the spoon.
Lid. Cleaning the spoon.
Lid goes on.
He's a double dipper. He's
You
awful.
don't have to take the lid off completely if you don't want to. You can take it off and there's a wee hole to put your stuff in.
Your plunger.
And you got a plunger.
But we don't need that for ice
I
cream.
don't need that.
And there's also a cleaning brush for your blades to make it easy to
Put it in and turn it to lock it. And all you have to do now is press milkshake.
Whoa, do you see that jump? Done.
And that's it. Power off. Lift it off. No, take the top off first because it's still a bit tight. And
I told you double dip, didn't I? There's a pourer at the front. Here.
it's not going to pour out. Going to have to spit it thick. Going to have to spin it out.
Oh, it's going to be a splodge.
This is going to be some sucky up.
I think there's a purple tinge with the blueberries. What do you think? Toxic purple.
Got a wee helping hand. Whoa. Overflow,
That's
overflow.
volcanic.
We'll have a wee taste.
Hey,
What?
that one. That's enough. That's enough. Thank you. So, toxic purple smoothies. Do you want to see our views while we have these smoothies? Today we have sunshine.
Oh, ice cream headache. Rain free.
Cheers. No alcohol, honest. Gordon's got brain freeze, but he keeps going back. That got me this morning as well.
Oh, brain freeze.
Cheers.
Cheers. Right, we're back again. We've given the blender another clean. Yep. Thing as well.
We're going to make chunky soup, vegetables.
Yep.
So,
What we have onion, green bean, curly kale, sweet potato, carrot, celery, and some spicy Italian seasoning, and 700 millilitres of vegetable stock.
which is about 1.25 pints.
Dead easy. You chuck them all in. Chuck everything in, anything you want. The soup's yours. The world's your oyster.
This
Oh, no,
particular
it's-
one's going to take 30 minutes. There are other recipes in the little book that take 20. And you can, obviously, once you get to know your machine, adapt it yourself to suit your own taste.
Some curly kale everywhere. There, onion. There. Italian seasoning. And that.
We used a stock cube, a vegetable stock cube for this one. You can obviously make your own stock or use whatever's suitable.
Put it on, switch on, and press the chunky soup button.
And there's the timer counting down.
It'll heat it up.
Wish us luck, it looks good already. Looks good in the jug. We'll come back. We have bubbles. Bubble, bubble, toil in trouble. Three minutes to go. And the spring vegetable soup is ready. We made with our own vegetable choice rather than follow from the book. We just used some carrots and kale, celery, well, you saw it all earlier. Okay, I don't know how we're getting this out of here.
Just do it this way.
Yeah.
You can pour it.
Not too much veg. Very chunky soup. We've already had smoothies this morning. Now we're having soup. It's only 12 o'clock. The curry's just on in the other ninja.
Let's have a look. Let's have a taste now.
Cheers.
That's alright actually.
Good. I'll try. Oh, I can taste the sweet potato and the spice. It's nice. Okay, so there's the new Ninja. I'm not sure what's called. What is it called? Ninja
Blender.
blender and smoothie maker. Yeah, soup smoothie maker. So hot and cold drinks, etc. Okay, bye.